What's up guys, welcome back to another video. It's called Raven. Today we are gonna look at another headphone. So in the last episode I looked at the Alienwares for PC and for consoles. This time we're gonna look at mobile headphones. Well, not headphones, earphones. So today we're gonna look at Apple's Airpods Pro. Yeah, you heard me right, Airpods Pro. So before we start the video, be sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel so you don't miss anything in next. Also hit that notification bell on so you don't miss anything in next. And now let's unbox this small case. Why is it small? Alright, so we just have to pull this tab right here. So open the case. So let's open it. Man, this is a small case. I thought it was gonna be a little bigger. Designed by Apple in California. So we get the quick start guide. We have the safety handling, noting that. We have the regulatory, noting that, and we also have the what cares about warranties. I'm a savage. And right here we have the AirPods Pros. So I actually never owned AirPods in my life. I owned the Powerbeats Pros, which I use for workouts and stuff like that. So let's open it. So, ooh, we have the AirPods Pros. Oh, it's right here, so I guess it is connecting somewhere, but I don't know where it's connecting. So we're gonna close it for now, and let's see what else we get. I'm gonna put it right there for now. Let's see what else we get. We have, oh, these are the replacements, I guess. Yeah, these are the replacements. So what's actually good about these or that you can actually change the ear rest. As you see right here, the ear rest, you can change it like there. You can change it to small or large if you have small ears or large ears, so it can be more comfortable. And also right here we have a USB-C to lightning bolt to USB-C. Yep. So it'll be in a fast charge. It'll probably be done by an hour. So the battery life on here, it's about 9 hours, but 24 hours with charging case. So there we have it. The information is just this and the charging cable. That's it. That's basically it. So this is the actual charging case for the Powerbeats Pros. And this is the charging case for the AirPods Pros. And man, this is really small. So right here on this one, the Powerbeats Pros, you actually gotta hold it up. And when you take them out, it looks nice. It has the wireless charging pins right here. So you just let's close it for now. But this one, all I have to do is just do this. You just flick them up and just take them out and boom. So of course this is wireless charging, and also these are fully functioning wireless. And you can use this on, you can actually use this on Android, I think, but mostly they're made for Apple. So the noise cancellation on these, it's not very deep. It's like on normal size, so it's really decent for noise cancellation for just like tiny earbuds. It's really nice. And what's special about these is that actually if you play music, which actually we're only playing music right now, and if I just take one out, it pauses automatically, and when I put it back in, it should automatically play. Yep, and it's playing right now. You probably can't hear because I'm using a mic, obviously. These sound pretty decent, but honestly, I recommend this, like for video calls and stuff like that. I really recommend this, I do. But if you're like into sports and stuff like that, I would use the Beats. I would prefer the Beats better. It gives you a comfortable fit, because if you're running with these, like for example, if you're running with these, you can legitimately run with these like really hardcore. It's gonna fall out, and if there's a car, it's gonna like run them over. But these give you a comfortable fit, because of the ring, this is just a slip on, as you can see right here. So this is comfortable for me because of my ear. It goes around my ear, so if I shake them, it doesn't come off. Like it can't come off, but if I shake these, it kind of comes off. But if I it's gonna when I'm eating, it's gonna slip off a little, like right here. It slips off a little, and it's not right. So if you're into video conferencing, stuff like that, if you just want to listen to music, sit down, the AirPods Pros, that's the right choice. But if you're into sports and you want to listen to music while you're working out, I really prefer the Powerbeats Pro. I really prefer these than the AirPods Pros. And that will be the end of the video. Be sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel so you don't miss anything in the next. And until next time, see you in the next one.